I went on ahead there and whittled that little stop block, such as it is. Tension of the handle right there will keep it from dislodging its gap. Brakes on a circus wagon. You know, that could be from up there in Baraboo, down there in Florida. Found in a warehouse. Middle Tennessee. Geographical center or something. Thanks for stopping in, viewing the video. Hey, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe if you want to. I'm here in Middle Tennessee. Geographical center or something. Shop Dog Sam. Well, you know, it's pretty much a copy of that one right there. You know, both of those tar tools right there, and then achieving the same function as this one here. To the extent that I done already ground quite more than half of that flat beveled on the others to the front. And then on this end down here, I just welded a big old steel ball onto a grade 8 bolt. The head of it's welded to that there bar. It's 1 inch solid. 70-18 on them rods there. That little bitty that Lincoln welder knocked that job out. Oh yeah, 70-18 rods. Add DC positive. 3/16 on the side there. You know. A good day to paint some wheels. You know. Oh yeah. Good day to clean some parts up. 3 horsepower.